Hello, welcome to my channel. Friends, please subscribe. Now here is an equation. It is a biquadratic equation and we have to solve it. So how will you solve? We will reduce it to a quadratic form and then we will solve. And for that, what we have to do? We have to reduce in quadratic form, so we have to make pair. With these four terms, we will make two pairs. And the pair will be that way such that the sum of constant terms in one pair will be equal to the sum of constant terms in other pair. Okay, so suppose if we make first pair with x plus 2 and x minus 5, then sum of constant pairs is plus 2 minus 5 means minus 3. And if we take x minus 6 and x plus 1 as another pair, their sum of constant term is minus 5. So they are not equal. So we have to think other way. So if we make pair with x plus 2 and x plus 3 one pair and x plus 1 and x minus 5 another pair, then what will happen? You see, plus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 and minus 5 plus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 and minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. So friends, here the sum of constant terms are equal. So we will make pair x plus 2 with x minus 6 and x minus 5 with x plus 1. So here x plus 2 with x minus 6 and x minus 5 and x plus 1 is equal to 1, 4, 4. Okay, minus 4, minus 4. So that is equal to x square minus 6x plus or minus 4x minus 12. And here x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 144. Now friends, you see in both the products x square minus 4x is common. So what we will do? We will substitute x square minus 4x is equal to y, then the equation becomes, if it is y, then y minus 12 and y minus 5 is equal to 144. Now friends, there is no hard and fast rule. If anyone thinks that he will take x square minus 4, because constant terms we can adjust, x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to y, then it implies that what the equation becomes y plus 7 is equal to 144, isn't it? y plus 7, then it will become, this is y, then you have to adjust minus 5, so it will be y plus 7. And if anyone thinks that he will take x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to y, that implies y. This will be x square, this is y. So we have to minus 7, if we add, then it will become minus 12. So it will be y minus 7 into y is equal to 144. You can solve, you will get the same result. So you can assume this as y, you have to adjust the constant terms. So this implies y square minus 17y plus 60 is equal to 144. Factorization method, we have to split the middle term with the help of the factors of a and c. So first 144 will become this side 170y plus 60 minus 144 is equal to 0. That becomes y square minus 17y, and this is becomes 84 is equal to 0. Reverse check, yes. Now we have to split 17 with the help of 84. So here is no factor, so it will be 2, I think this 2 is 4, 7, 20. So how will you split? This is minus 21 we will take, plus 4y we will take, minus 84 is equal to 0. Factorization method. So this will be y minus 21 1 and y plus 4 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. If we cross reverse check, plus 4y minus 20y minus. Therefore the product is equal to 0. Factorization method we have already discussed in previous videos. Y minus 21 either is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to 21, or y plus 4 is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to minus 4. So friends, we have got the two values of y. Now we will put these values in x square minus 4 we assume there, so you have it right. Now y is equal to 21 implies x square minus 4x is equal to 21. That implies x square minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now again factorization method, we will split the middle term with the help of the factors of 21 and 1. So we will get x square 3 7s are 21 minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. That will get 2 like that. Product of two terms. So therefore either x minus 7 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 7, or x plus 3 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 3. So we have got two roots, but y has two terms. There is another, so write and y is equal to minus 4 implies x square minus 4x is equal to minus 4. That implies x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now here you see this is a minus b whole square. A square minus 2 into 2x plus 2 square. So we can write x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. That implies x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 2 means repeated root. So we are getting here 7 minus 3 and here 2. So therefore we have to find the solution set. The solution set for x is 2, 2, you can write 1 or 2 also, minus 3, 7. Okay, that's all today. Thank you friends.